Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use global variable with your functions. So what is a global variable? A global variable, by the name itself you can understand that global variable is available everywhere in your program. So whenever you declare a global variable, it should be or it can be used everywhere in the program, right? But whenever we try to use this global variable inside our function, it behaves little bit differently, and I will show you how to use this global variable with a function. So for example, I declare a variable called name, for example, and name, I assign this name as Mark. Okay, and I can just echo this name, right? This is simple. But for example, I want to make a function to display name. So I make a function, and I can say show name, and this will be my function. And I just want to display this name using this function. So I just can say echo, and in single quotes I can say the name of the student is, and with this concatenation symbol I can use names like this. Okay, and if you know that by calling this function in here, I will be able to show this message, right? So let me save it and let's see what is the result. I'll just refresh this and I will call my global.php, and in here you will be able to see that undefined name here, and the name of the student is, and you will not be able to see the name which we have assigned, which is Mark, right? And why is this happening? The name is not available, whenever we want to see here, name is not available. Ideally we should see the name of the student is Mark, because we are printing this name of the student is whatever this name contains, and we can just prove this, that this name has the value of Mark by just echoing this like this. So I will just save it and I will refresh this, and you can see this name variable holds the value Mark, but inside your function you will not be able to print this name. And there is a small little line which you need to write to specify that this name is a global variable and you want to use this inside your function, and you just need to add this line. You just need to write global and the name of your variable. And once you specify that this name is a global variable, so this is the same name as this name, but now you specify in the function that this is a global variable, and let's see what happens now. I will refresh it, and now I can see that the name of the student is Mark, right? So in order to use a global variable inside your function, you need to specify that you want to use this global variable, and not just one global variable. You can just use different global variable, name 1 comma name 2. So like this you can specify multiple global variable inside your function and use them unless and until you have declared those names as a global variable outside these functions. Okay, so just remember that whenever you want to use a global variable, this global variable can be in other PHP file also, and you may wish to declare all of your global variable in one PHP file, and you can call these global variable inside your function in other files by just using this declaration that this variable is global and you want to use it. Okay, so just remember this in your mind and you will be good to go. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.